Hello students, let us continue the lesson, The Never Ending Story. Birbal continued telling story to the king Akbar. He continued, the Bhil was worried about the birds. He wanted to get rid of the birds which carried grains of rice from his hut. He bought a basket from the market and he put all the grains of corn in the basket and closed its lid tightly so that to avoid the birds carrying the grains of corn. Now he continued the lesson. When the birds, as usual, entered the hut, not finding their food anywhere, turned their attention to the basket. What happened then? The birds then pecked at the basket but only hurt themselves in the process. Akbar replied, what then? Yes, the birds, as usual, came into the hut and they found the food nowhere. Nowhere they found the food. And their attention turned towards the basket. Just they went to the basket and what happened? The birds started pecking at the lid of the basket, but they could not. Among the birds was a little sparrow who was very clever. She made friends with a small mouse in the hut and asked him to help her. He nibbled at the basket. Yes, again the Akbar replied, yes. Now there was a small sparrow there. It made friends with a small mouse, and the small mouse came into the hut and he nibbled, he pierced at the lid of the basket. Yes, Akbar replied, what? Yes. Nobody knew, but soon the birds came to know of this and gathered in great numbers outside the hut. My God, so many birds. Do you know how many, Sarkar? Yes, Birbal continued. Nobody knew how it was. The birds, all the birds from outside came to know about this, and they gathered in numbers to carry the grains of corn. So many birds, he said. How many? Akbar replied, 500 birds. So many of them, the emperor explained. What then? Now he wanted Birbal to continue. Then one bird went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak, flew out. Birbal replied. One bird came and it took a grain of corn and it flew out. Then Akbar asked. Then the second bird entered the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. Birbal replied the same with the second bird also. Then Akbar wanted to know what then. The third bird went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. Again he asked, then the third bird also went in the same way. Birbal replied. Then the fourth bird went into the hut and holding a grain of corn in its beak flew out. Then again the same repetition, Birbal continued with the fourth bird also. Akbar replied. Then the fifth bird went into the hut and yes, he stopped there. Akbar stopped and asked, Birbal, now how many birds are left? Sarkar, so far only 5 birds have flown out. There are still 495 birds to go. So what was I saying? Yes, the sixth bird went into the hut and now Akbar stopped his continuation. He says, he asked how many more birds are left. See, there are still 495 birds are left. Birbal said, hearing the dull story of the birds going into the hut one by one and coming out, the emperor got so disgusted that he almost shouted, Birbal, when are these birds going to finish their task of carrying the grain out? Yes, now the emperor hearing of the story one by one, the bird holding a grain of corn in its beak and flying out, he got bored. Now he said the emperor was disgusted about the way Birbal told the story. Now when he asked, when are the birds going to finish their task of carrying grain out? Then Birbal replied, when you stop saying what next, Sarkar? Birbal smartly he said that When you stop saying what next, Akbar wanted to know what next, what happened next. So the emperor now realized his folly. Folly means foolishness, and ordered that program of hearing a tale from his courtiers each night should be stopped. Now, when Birbal said like this, he realized his foolishness, that he ordered to stop telling the story and listening to story also. Now, what do you learn from this story, children? Now, the smartness and the cleverness of Birbal. The smartness and cleverness in solving any type of problem. Did you understand? Did you understand about the lesson, the never ending story? Now, I will give you an assignment. You should write a similar story like this of Akbar and Birbal. So, let us end up the class here. Thank you.